Hey everybody, this is going to be an unboxing and taking a look at a new luggage set. Let's take a look at it, see what's included, and see what you can expect if you decide to get this. 360-degree spinner wheels, quality tested. All right, let's take a look at these wheels. Here's the wheels right here. So 360 degrees, you gotta have wheels when you're rolling around in the airport, right? Spin it around here, very nice. All right, so it's got a handle at the top and a handle on the side. And on the side is the locking system right here. You can see the locks, don't know how to use that yet. Take a look at it, I'm sure it's pretty simple to set it on your code, whatever you want. Just got a built-in lock, so that's pretty neat. You can see right here, plenty of room in the outside one here. It's got, of course, the straps, strap your clothes down. And on this side, it's got the interior zipper to hold your clothes in as well right here. You can zip things in, and of course, it's got the little mesh pouch right here. Again, this is the rose gold color here. Comes in several different colors. Again, the wheels, 360-degree wheels right here. And here's your adjustable pulling lever at the top here. It's got 3 different levels. Locks in the highest, middle, and at the bottom for whatever you need. All right, we'll go ahead and leave that pulled up tight like that. And let's get this other one out of here. The wheels right here, 360-degree wheels. The built-in lock mechanism right here on the side for you to set on your own code. And the same thing we saw on the larger version here. This is the 28, 24, and the 20, right? 28 inch, 24, and the 20 inch. Same thing we saw in the larger version here. We've got the zipper part right here and the mesh design here for easy access for shoes or whatever you need. And same thing on this side as well. You've got the straps so you can strap in stuff on this side. A nice tall handle right here. Look at that. The 24, the handle goes up as high as the 28. So you can tell this handle is a little bit longer because the piece of luggage is not quite as big as the other one, right? So we'll leave those and let's take a look at the last piece. This is going to be the carry-on size for traveling by plane. This would be the carry-on size you can put in the overhead. Same thing, it's got a lock mechanism on the side, just like the other ones. You can set your code on there. Same thing, 360-degree wheels here for rolling through the airport or wherever you're going, rolling into the hotel. And a strap for strapping in on this side. Same thing here. Put things underneath here, and the mesh zipper part here, and then of course the exterior mesh part. So all 3 pieces of luggage all have the same design. Just a 28, 24, and 20 inch size is really what we're seeing here. All the handles all go up the same size. And we have this bag right here. So there is 5 pieces. Oh, that expands the capacity so it pops out. So it's got a zipper part on the bottom. So it's got like a little accordion style bottom part here if you want to increase the capacity. And if you don't, you can just zip it back around. So that's clever design there to give you more. And if you don't need the bag to be quite as big, you can just zip it back up. All right, this bag's got an interior pouch right here. So this could be like toiletries or something. There's a strap right here, and the strap is designed for you to pull it over the other piece. Like, all right, so you can see both of these bags have the straps where they can hang around that. So that's very helpful and very nice engineering, very nice thinking. So it's got 2 bags like this a larger one and a smaller one. I would imagine this would be for toothbrush, makeup, toiletries, things like that for sure. It's got a little hanging thing on the end right here as well. This is what to expect. All right, get another good look at this luggage that we just opened up and unboxed. 28, 24, and 20-inch carry-on size with extra bags. Bag here that you can stick right here as well, right? Whichever one you need it on, the bigger one, whatever, right? There you go. And the smaller bag right here. 28, 24, and 20-inch. So that's what to expect from this nice, attractive piece of luggage here. Luggage set here with the locks built in on the side, zipper, extra bags. It should have everything you need here for traveling in style on this luggage set. That's what to expect, and maybe this will work for you and your needs.